Do you stand in front of the mirror every morning wondering, why is my belly sticking out like this? No time for the gym? Too tired or lazy to work out after a long day? Then today's video is made just for you, because we are about to reveal 7 lazy girl exercises that you can do right at home with no equipment in just 10 minutes a day. And yes, they are backed by science, so you will actually start seeing results. But before we begin, let me ask you one quick question. Which do you think is harder, losing weight or keeping it off? Let me know your answer in the comments below. In today's world, most of us have busy, hectic lives. We rush in the morning, sit for hours at work or school, come home exhausted, and fall asleep late at night. The result? Belly fat builds up, energy levels drop, and we start feeling less confident about our bodies. Most people believe that weight loss requires spending hours in the gym, lifting heavy weights, and sweating buckets. But research shows that just 10 minutes a day of the right exercises can fire up your metabolism, burn stubborn fat, and transform your body without ever stepping inside a gym. So today, I'm going to share 7 lazy girl exercises that you can do anywhere, on your bed, in your living room, or even on your office floor. No equipment, no excuses, just your body weight and 10 minutes of focus. Let's get started. Number 1, leg raises. Exercise number 1 is leg raises. Lie flat on your back, hands by your side. Slowly lift both legs up together, keeping them straight until they form a 90-degree angle. Then lower them slowly without letting your feet touch the floor. This controlled motion activates your lower abs, the most stubborn area for fat loss. Do 10 to 12 reps, 3 sets daily, and you will start to notice your lower belly getting tighter. Number 2, seated knee tucks. Exercise number 2 is seated knee tucks. You can do this sitting on the edge of your bed or a chair. Lean back slightly, keep your hands behind for support, and pull your knees toward your chest. Then slowly extend them straight without touching the floor. This engages your core muscles and lower abs, helping you burn fat and strengthen your stomach muscles. Number 3, glute bridge. Exercise number 3 is glute bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Now lift your hips toward the ceiling while squeezing your glutes. Hold for 3 seconds at the top, then slowly lower back down. This move not only tones your core and glutes, but also helps improve posture and strengthens your lower back, a great bonus if you sit for long hours. Number 4, modified bicycle crunch. Exercise number 4 is modified bicycle crunch. Lie flat on your back, hands behind your head. Bring your right knee toward your left elbow while keeping the other leg straight. Then switch sides. Go slow and controlled, no rushing. This move works your entire core and helps melt fat around your belly and waistline. Number 5, side-lying leg lifts. Exercise number 5 is side-lying leg lifts. Lie on your right side, keep your legs straight. Slowly lift your top leg as high as you comfortably can, then lower it back down. Do 10 to 12 reps, then switch sides. This tones your side abs and thighs while also improving balance and hip strength. Number 6, standing side crunch. Exercise number 6 is standing side crunch. This one is perfect for those who prefer standing workouts. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Place your right hand behind your head and lift your right knee while bringing your elbow down to meet it. Then switch sides. This exercise activates your obliques and burns calories even if you're too lazy to get on the floor. Number 7, cat-cow stretch with twist. Exercise number 6 is standing side crunch. This one is perfect for those who prefer standing workouts. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Place your right hand behind your head and lift your right knee while bringing your elbow down to meet it. Then switch sides. This exercise activates your obliques and burns calories even if you're too lazy to get on the floor. And finally, exercise number 7, cat-cow stretch with twist. Get on all fours with your knees under your hips and hands under your shoulders. Arch your back upward like a cat, then slowly drop your belly and lift your head. That's the cow pose. Now add a gentle twist by lifting one arm and rotating your torso. Then return to the starting position. This not only stretches your core, but also improves digestion and blood flow, which plays a huge role in fat loss. Consistency is key. Do these exercises daily, and you'll notice your belly slimming down, your energy levels going up, and your confidence skyrocketing. And don't forget, drink plenty of water and eat balanced meals for the best results. If you want a complete step-by-step plan with meal ideas, detox drink recipes, and a full home workout schedule, check out my ebook, Lose Weight, Boost Energy, and Build Lifelong Health. No gym needed. The link is in the description below. This guide will help you stay consistent and see results even faster. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with a friend who needs this, and subscribe to my channel so you never miss more easy and effective fitness tips. And remember, you don't need a gym. You just need to start. So start today. Your future self will thank you.